Welcome to the Allman Product Tutorial Series. My name is Eric Barrett. I am Allman Senior Technical Writer. In this tutorial video, I'm going to cover the setup, start, and shutdown of your units. Today, I am going to cover the Maxi Lite tower. Step 1. Transfer the light tower to the work site. Properly and safely position the light tower on a solid, level surface. Do not set up the light tower on an incline of more than 5%. Do not set up the light tower on on-level or unstable ground. Check for overhead obstructions such as power lines and trees. Keep in mind the maximum height of the light tower when fully raised. Step 2. Deploy the tongue jack. Remove the jack locking pin. Rotate the tongue jack into the operating position and install the tongue jack locking pin fully through the top and bottom holes of the jack and tongue. Unfold the crank handle. Turn the jack handle clockwise to lower the jack foot and raise the front of the light tower trailer. Step 3. Put wheel chocks against the front and rear of each wheel. Step 4. Deploy the outriggers. The unit has 2 left and 2 right outriggers on the front and rear of the machine. Pull the outrigger locking pin. Move the outrigger out until the pin locks the outrigger in the operating position. Remove the stabilizer jack locking pin. Turn the jack into the operating position and install the stabilizer jack locking pin fully through the top and bottom holes of the jack and outrigger. Unfold the handle of the stabilizer jack, then turn clockwise to lower the jack until firmly planted on the worksite surface. Repeat for the other 4 outriggers and stabilizer jacks. Step 5. Make the light tower level from front to back, side to side, using the tongue and outrigger jacks. Step 6. Light bar adjustments. The light tower may be equipped with either 4 or 6 lights. Operation for adjusting the light bar and light fixtures will be similar for each model. Set the light tower light bar to the preferred working position. Pull the park pin and rotate 90 to unlock the light bar. Rotate the light bar to the preferred work angle, then lock the light bar in place with the park pin. Set the tower arms to the preferred working position as well. Loosen the locking knob on each tower arm. Pull the park pin and rotate 90 to unlock the tower arm. Rotate each tower arm to the preferred work angle. Lock each tower arm in place with the park pin. Tighten the locking knob. Adjust each fixture to the desired position. Adjust to the left and right. Move the fixture yoke. To adjust up and down, loosen the locking knob to adjust the fixture and then tighten the locking knob. Step 7. Check light tower fluids and components by opening the engine compartment doors. Examine the fuel level in the fuel tank. Add fuel if necessary. Remove the dipstick from the engine and examine the engine oil level. The engine oil level should be between the full and add marks on the dipstick. Add oil if necessary. Check the engine coolant recovery bottle. Keep the engine coolant in the recovery bottle between 1/3 and 2/3 full. Replenish as necessary. Check to make sure that the main circuit breaker is in the on position. Step 8. Operating the engine. The Maxi Lite light tower may be equipped with either key start, an LSC electronic controller, or a deep sea electronic controller for engine starting operation. For key start operation, turn the key switch to preheat, hold for 10 seconds, then turn the key switch past run to start. Once the engine starts, release the key switch and it will automatically return to run. After the engine is started, the lights will turn on automatically. All the light circuit breakers should be in the on position. For LSC controller operation, turn the electronic controller on-off switch to the on position. To manually start the engine, press the start button shown on the LSC screen. After the intake heater has warmed the unit for approximately 15 seconds, the engine will start. After the engine is started, the lights will turn on automatically. All circuit breakers need to be in the on position. For complete information on the LSC control module, read the LSC Module Operator's Manual. For deep sea, controller operation, turn the electronic controller on-off switch to the on position. To manually start the engine, push the start button on the deep sea controller 2 times. After the intake heater has warmed the intake, the engine will start. After the engine is started, the lights will turn on automatically. All light circuit breakers need to be on the on position. For complete information on the deep sea control module, read the Deep Sea Control Module Operator's Manual. Step 9. Some units are equipped with an emergency stop on the front side that will immediately shut down the entire unit in case of an emergency. Step 10. Raising and lowering the light tower. The unit is equipped with a standard hydraulic winch to raise and lower the light tower. Press and hold the tower raise rocker switch in the up position until the tower is fully raised. Step 11. The unit is equipped with auxiliary outlets. Auxiliary outlets are located on the lower portion of the control panel. Each outlet is protected by an individual circuit breaker. If a circuit breaker trips, disconnect the load from the outlet. Shut off the engine. Wait 10 minutes for the generator to cool down. Correct the load problem. Start the engine. Reset the breaker to the on position. Note: be sure to check the GFCI breaker on the GFCI outlet. If necessary, reset it. Reconnect the load. Step 12. Close the control panel door and engine compartment doors. The light tower is now in operation for the work site. For more information on your Maxi Lite unit, scan the QR code near the control box to access the product operations webpage on the Allman website. To shut down your unit, open the control panel door. Lower the light tower. Press and hold the tower raise rocker switch in the down position until the tower is lowered. Shut down the engine. For key start models, turn the key switch to the off position. The lights will automatically turn off before the engine shuts down. For LSC models, push the stop button on the LSC module. The lights will shut off automatically before the engine shuts down. Set the electronic controller switch to the off position. For deep sea controller models, push the stop button on the deep sea control module. The lights will shut off automatically before the engine shuts down. Set the electronic controller switch to the off position. Wait 10 minutes for the lights to cool. Disconnect any power cords from the outlets and store cords in their proper location. Step 6. Rotate the light bar to the transport position. Pull the park pin and rotate 90 degrees to unlock the light bar. Rotate the light bar. Pull the park pin and rotate 90 degrees to lock the light bar in place. Step 7. Set the tower arms to the transport position. Loosen the locking knob on each tower arm. Pull and rotate the park pin to unlock each tower arm. Then rotate each tower arm to set the light fixture yokes. Pull and rotate the park pin to lock each tower arm in place. Tighten the locking knob on each tower arm. Step 8. Adjust the light fixtures to the transport position. Turn the light fixtures towards the center of the unit. Step 9. Make sure the control panel is closed and latched. Step 10. Retract the outriggers. Fully lift the stabilizer jack by turning the jack handle counterclockwise. Hold the handle. Remove the stabilizer jack locking pin. Turn the jack into the transport position and install the stabilizer jack locking pin fully through the top and bottom holes of the jack and outrigger. Pull the outrigger locking pin and move the outrigger in until the pin locks the outrigger in the transport position. Remove the wheel chocks. The unit is now ready for transport.